Senate President pro tempore Ping Lacson says individuals who allegedly received kickbacks from the 100 billion peso insertion in the 2025 national budget were misrepresenting President Bongbong Marcos. During the Senate's plenary deliberations on Tuesday, November 18, Lacson confirms the existence of the 100 billion peso insertion in the 2025 General Appropriations Act. Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico claimed Marcos supposedly maneuvered for this insertion in the 2025 budget. Lacson refutes Co's allegations.
Totoo yung listahan ng 100 billion pesos. Talaga nasingit sa BICAM. But yung sinasabi ni Zaldico on social media as posted na nag-deliver siya ng 25 billion representing the 25% commission di umano para kay Presidente, that I will attest na hindi totoo. No? Yun talaga absolutely untrue or false. Untrue or completely false.
But according to Lacson, he received information from former Public Works Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo's camp that there were people in Malacanang who misrepresented the president. He says the president did not authorize these individuals. Lacson names resigned Presidential Legislative Liaison Office Undersecretary Adrian Carlos Bersamin and resigned Education Undersecretary Tregev Olaivar. According to Lacson, Bernardo detailed to him the modus operandi for such kickbacks. Lacson added that Bernardo disclosed that he never delivered commission to the president, but only to Olaivar. The senator says Bernardo also believes Bersamin was with Olaivar when he handed over 8 billion pesos in at least 10 deliveries.
Ang sabi niya sa akin, hindi po totoo yan, Mr. Senator. Kasi ang breakdown ng 100 billion, 81 billion, yun yung na-assign sa DPWH. Yung 29 billion, other agencies. The modus that yung arrangement nila is, may tigisa silang armored van. May armored van si Yusek Olaivar, may armored van siya, magpapark sa basement ng Diamond Hotel, darating yung van driven by Olaivar, and possibly, sabi niya, hindi siya sigurado, and possibly along with Adrian Bersamin.